And on this Friday, May 23rd, 2025 edition of Newsmakers, court papers have been released in Wednesday night's Israeli embassy killings in Washington, D.C. Jennifer King reports.
Elias Rodriguez, the suspect charged in the murder of two staffers of the Israeli embassy in Washington, told police, "I did it for Palestine, I did it for Gaza," according to court documents. Metropolitan Police Chief Pamela Smith.
The suspect chanted, "Free, free Palestine," while in custody.
Janine Pirot is the new U.S. Attorney for the District of Columbia.
Violence against anyone based on their religion is an act of cowardice.
She says Rodriguez is likely to face more charges.
And we're going to continue to investigate this as a hate crime.
Authorities say the 31-year-old from Chicago gunned down the young couple outside the Capitol Jewish Museum as they were leaving a reception, then stood over them and fired several more shots.
I actually offered him, gave him water.
Event organizer Jojo Drake-Colleen told Sky News a guard let a distraught-looking man into the museum thinking he was fleeing the commotion.
Unbeknownst to me that I was looking evil in the eye.
The Israeli ambassador says the victims, Yurin Lashinsky, an Israeli citizen, and Sarah Milgram, an American from Kansas, were about to be engaged. I'm Jennifer King.
New York City Mayor Eric Adams is calling for the end to anti-Semitic protest in the city following the D.C. shootings. Adams stood together with faith leaders from different backgrounds yesterday to condemn the deadly attack. Adams is ordering the New York Police Department to increase security, including adding heavy weapons teams to sensitive locations connected to the Jewish community, out of an abundance of caution following the attack. New York City is home to the largest Jewish population outside of Israel. A bill banning Texas cities from using taxpayer money to fund out-of-state abortion travel is on its way to Governor Greg Abbott's desk. The Texas House approved the measure yesterday by an 87-58 vote, with two Democrats joining Republicans in supporting the bill. The Senate passed the bill last month. Austin City Council allocated $400,000 to pay for lodging and travel expenses to Texas residents who get abortions in other states. The new law would prohibit such an arrangement. A federal appeals court has ruled that the Constitution does not guarantee the right to receive information in public libraries. In a case out of Texas, patrons of a library in suburban Austin sued over the removal of books that had racial and sexual themes. Judges on the Fifth Circuit dismissed their free speech claims. Their decision makes it clear that no one is banning or burning books, adding if a disappointed patron can't find a book in the library, it can be ordered online or borrowed from a friend. And that's Newsmakers for this Friday, May 23rd, 2025 edition. I'm Keith Black.